Assalamu alaikum. Lesson number 9, 10th year of Makki period. Some good people from Quraysh worked to put an end to this harsh boycott. Allah also organized events in such a way that Quraysh had to end the boycott. This year is known as the year of sorrow because Abu Talib and later Khadija radiallahu anha passed away in it. Now Quraysh started hurting the Prophet openly. The Prophet ﷺ traveled to Taif for da'wah. However, the people of Taif not only rejected Islam but also caused him great suffering. Despite this, the Prophet didn't pray against them. Instead, he hoped that their future generations might accept Islam. On his way back from Taif, a group of jinn approached the Prophet and accepted Islam. The lessons are: support one another in acts of kindness and matters of deen. Be sure of the reward you will get from Allah in return for the hardships. Important events of the 10th year are end of boycott, year of sorrow, and Taif. For more details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.